Does your wagon suffer from dirty fenders and quarter panels? Are you tired of cringing over your paint job every time you drive through a puddle? Well, stay tuned because I have a foolproof solution for you. I have wanted to install splash guards to complement the all-terrain tires for some time. A set of factory ones from Volkswagens can run in the $100 range. This set was on Amazon for $15. Having been a Volkswagen technician myself for a few years, I was surprised at just how easy these installed compared to some of these newer Volkswagen models out there. Because these splash guards are so easy to install, there are only a few tools you will need: a Phillips bit, a T25 Torx bit, a bit driver, and a torque wrench if a wheel is removed. Let's start with the front. Turning the front wheels to full lock gives us plenty of room to work. It also would be a good idea to clean the work area first, which I obviously did not do. Good job, Rooster! Remove the T25 Torx bolt that holds the plastic trim in place. Line up the splash guard with the curve and the hole. Reinstall the T25 Torx bolt to hold everything in place. At this point you could drill some pilot holes for the other bolts to install, but I decided to let them be self-tapping. And it seemed to work pretty well. And there you have it, folks. Front splash guards installed quick and easy. Let's move on to the rear. The rear splash guards are even easier to install than the front. They have a channel that simply fits over the edge of the bumper and is held in place by the friction of the channel itself. Here we see one of the few downsides to having oversized tires. I ended up having to remove the rear tire to get a better working angle to install the splash guard. And during all of this, my camera operator forgot to focus the camera. I thought they were a professional. A hole could be drilled through the splash guard and the bumper edge to secure everything together. I may do that in the future. Splash guards are not only functional, they also improve the look. The wagon is now ready for more dirty roads. This is Rooster. Have a splash on me.